Now let's open the other one. Let's find the zipper and then open. And then bam. It's open. So long. Ooh. Whoa. I'm acting like a 4-year-old. Let's open another code. Why is there so much wrapping paper?
Make sure baby don't unwrap it with your adult consensus.
I'm not a baby.
But your sister's a baby. She's only 9 months old.
He's colorful. No, it's sparkly. It's very sparkly. It's a shining white ball with some It's plain white.
Today is a holiday, so you don't have school.
It's plain white. Cameraman. This ball is plain white, not like the other ones.
Yeah.
The other ones all have colors, except the pink ones that also are plain pink. It took me like a few minutes to unwrap this. Can you? So much wrapping. Let's put this one on first. Yep. Now we can hang it. Let's open her. Let's find out. Where's her body? Do you hear her body?
No, I don't see a body.
She has no body.
Strange. Oh, somebody stole her body. Terrible, terrible girl. Nobody girl.
They forgot to put the body.
You want to make it green?
Sure.
But you can put all the accessories for that girls.
How am I supposed to put the accessories for her? All I can do is put her glasses on. I can't even put her clothes on, her shoes on, and she can also drink milk. That's all. Put on her glasses and drink milk. That's all. I unwrapped a lot of minutes, and now I just get this.
You feel disappointed?
Yes, I do feel disappointed. Okay, now let's move on. I don't like one. This one. Let's use the black one.